extraordinary, don't you? Most of the time when you have a conversation about public speaking, this is what people say. I'm great one-on-one, but in front of a group, oh, I freeze, I cave, I can't do it. That's why most of us have joined Toastmasters. But one of the things that you may not realize is the benefit of being a skilled public speaker is it gives you self-confidence. And when you come to the Spring Conference 2017, you will be surrounded by people who are filled with self-confidence. You will meet people who are extraordinary speakers, extraordinary listeners, and you will float among them. Who doesn't want to date someone who's great at expressing themselves? Who doesn't want to promote someone who's organized and well-spoken? Come to the Spring Conference 2017. I'll see you there.